With the 2018 Mobile World Congress in Barcelona looming, all eyes have turned to Samsung and its upcoming Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus phones. Although we've seen some comprehensive leaks over the previous few weeks, many questions still surround Samsung's next-generation flagships. With that in mind, we've done our best to answer a few of them here. 1. Will the Galaxy S9 have 3D facial recognition like the iPhone X? The Galaxy S8 included face scanning as an unlocking feature, but it's nothing like Apple's Face ID. The iPhone X kicked off the trend toward depth sensing, face scanning cameras that are secure enough to unlock your phone and authenticate payments. 2. What's new about the camera? A series of leaks, including an alleged picture of the S9's box, and a prematurely published page on Samsung's website, have detailed the new phone's camera system's info. It starts with a 12-megapixel rear lens featuring optical image stabilization and a variable aperture of f/1.5 or f/2.4. 3. Will the price gap widen between the S9 and S9 Plus? We don't know how this will play out, but it's possible Samsung ratchets up the price of the S9 Plus relative to the smaller model to reflect its exclusive photographic abilities. Just as an example, Apple introduced the iPhone 7 and the dual-lens iPhone 7 Plus in 2016. Those two phones had a $120 price difference. 4. Will the S9 have a headphone jack? An image of the Galaxy S9 Plus's USB-C flex cable board shared on /leaks seemingly features a slot for the headphone jack module. 5. What will change on the design front? The Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus look to sport the same basic design as their predecessors, save for one change that's sure to receive some applause. Many leaks show that the new phone's rear-mounted fingerprint sensor has been repositioned from being just right of the camera lens to directly below it. 6. Will the S9 have an in-display fingerprint sensor? Initial reports pegged the Galaxy S9 to finally bring the technology to mainstream buyers. And while Chinese phone maker Vivo just announced plans to beat Samsung to the punch, at least in China, it seems Galaxy fans will have to wait a bit longer, as there has been no indication that Samsung will include anything other than a rear-mounted fingerprint sensor on the Galaxy S9. 7. How powerful will the Galaxy S9 be? As usual, you can expect the Galaxy S9 to be a very powerful phone. The version for those of us in North America will employ Qualcomm's Snapdragon 845 mobile platform, a chipset said to be 25% faster than the Snapdragon 835 during processor-intensive tasks thanks to a brand new 8-core Cryo 385 CPU running at 2.8 GHz. 8. What's new with Bixby? While we're not expecting a major reinvention of Bixby for the Galaxy S9, Samsung is seemingly angling to make its AI companion a more prominent part of the overall software with a new initiative called the Galaxy AIX. 9. Will there be a Galaxy S9 Mini? It seems every time Samsung readies a new flagship phone, the rumor mill begins churning out reports of a smaller model. So far, the hype has fizzled out. A Galaxy S8 Mini was briefly pegged to join the range last summer, until those reports were quickly squashed. Now, the whole buzz seems to be starting over again, and we haven't even officially seen the Galaxy S9 yet. Rumors continue to build. There are still several weeks to go until we see the Galaxy S9 in the flesh, and given the speed at which leaks have been dropping, we can receive answers to still outstanding questions between now and February 25th.